Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to make a tummy roller for your kids. It is super simple. All it takes is your carrier oil, your roller bottle, peppermint, and digize. My husband and I have found that the kid strength works really well for us as well. So that's all I will be doing today is the kid strength. So yeah, we're gonna start off by managing to take off, there we go, the roller cap from our 10 ml bottle. And then it calls for 12 drops for the kids of Digize. Digize is a wonderful tummy support roller or oil. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, maybe 13. That's all right. Digize and peppermint can be found in your premium starter kit. It's an amazing deal. And when you sign up with it, you can count it as your first 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count your premium starter kit as your first Essential Rewards order, and starting next month, all orders of 100 PV or more will receive free shipping, which is awesome. All right, and that is it. I topped off the 12 drops of Digize and 4 drops of peppermint with the carrier oil, and that is it. I'm gonna put the lid on here and then just turn this over a couple times to make sure that the oils have mixed with the carrier oil. Otherwise, you could end up with just having carrier oil rolled on, which would not be very helpful. So, when my hubby gets the rumbly tummies, even myself or my kids, this is what we put on, and we love it. It works so fast for us. All right, that is it. I will see you guys next time. Message me with any questions. I'm here for you. All right, bye.